Hello everyone, thank you for watching our videos. As we promised in our previous video, here is another way you can use to get rid of tartar without a dentist. Lemon peels. Get a ripe lemon and peel. You can blend the peels to make a paste, or use any method that is friendly to you to make a paste from lemon peels. Lemon peels are rich in vitamin C and antimicrobial properties, which help destroy plaque and tartar buildup. They also help in preventing microbial growth in your mouth. After making a paste, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to lemon peels, blend and mix well. Leave the paste for at least 30 minutes and then use a brush to apply the paste to your teeth. Brush thoroughly all over your teeth, targeting much on tartar-forming areas. Also, you should not use this method more than thrice a week. The reason why is the lemon peels are very acidic and can cause tooth decay and destroy your enamel by ruining the calcium in your teeth if you use this method too frequently. Alternatively, you can enjoy these benefits by using the inside part of the orange peel for scrubbing your teeth.